Hello, my name is Eddie Binder. I'm here at Weseloh Kia Carlsbad, and I'd like to spend a few minutes with you and the Kia Sportage. Now, for 4 years running, the Kia brand has been awarded the J.D. Power's highest initial quality award, while the Sportage itself has won the IIHS Top Safety Pick in 2018, and we expect when the 2019 awards come out that the Kia Sportage will also receive that award as well. We're going to be looking at the EX model. The Kia Sportage comes in 3 trim levels, an LX, an EX, and an SX. The EX being that middle trim level. This vehicle with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty can be purchased with current incentives for under $25,000. Now, this 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, gas direct injection engine along with a 6-speed transmission will deliver up to 30 miles to the gallon. Great fuel economy and a great looking car. Now what you're looking at is what we call hyper red. And as we walk around the vehicle, you're going to find a lot of the chrome trim accented by blackout. As you can see around the fog lamps, which is standard, you get chrome and blackout. Those are LED high projection headlamps, very aggressive front look. You have blackout trim surrounding the wheel wells, along with the bottom of the vehicle, chrome accent around the windows, and these 18-inch alloy wheels give the vehicle a very aggressive yet classy look. 2 wide opening doors for easy access to get in and out of this vehicle. Good looking vehicle, and I think with the red color, particularly, and the blackout trim and chrome, this vehicle is very, very stunning. So as we move to the back of the vehicle, you can see hatch opens very easily, wide opening, and of course these seats will fold down. And when you lay these seats down, which I'm going to do, so you can get a feel for the type of room that you have in this. There is additional storage back here. Spare tires is housed under here. Easy to close and open, back hatch, very light. And when you get in the vehicle, you also, one of the first things you notice is this 7-inch screen. Well, the screen is a touch screen that has a backup camera, and you operate your Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto from this. A lot of room, a lot of storage space, along with glove compartments, several cup holders here. So again, a 2019 Sportage EX under $25,000. You can't beat the value. Come on down to Weseloh, take it out for a test drive, see what you think. I think that you'll agree it's as good a value as you're going to find in any brand new vehicle that you can spend your hard-earned money on. Thank you for your time.